Today we are making easy Christmas ornaments. These are plastic frosted ornaments that I got on Amazon. Check my links below if you want to use the exact ones. These have about 3 inches of flat space that I can work with. Next, you are going to slice down the files that you want to use. I'm using the December 2022 bundle from Ink Club today. Most of the art I designed is meant to be cut at a medium size, so when you decide to size down the files from this bundle, please be aware you may have some tiny pieces. I recommend slowing down the settings on your machine and not trying to cut too deep. For example, I ended up cutting my vinyl at a 2 instead of a 3 and slowing it down to a 1. I weed all the vinyl to reveal the cute images. I like using both a weeding tool and an X-acto knife to keep tiny pieces in place. This is by far the hardest part because items like the eyes of the Santa are very small and you have to be especially careful to not lose them. Next, transfer the vinyl and place on the ornament. Transferring is the easiest part. And voila! Beautiful Christmas ornaments that you can customize to your tree's colors or style. I hope you are making something beautiful with these Cricut and Silhouette files. Be sure to share what you are making by tagging Karina Gardner, Ink Club.